It's Easter time and let's make something extreme but without unhealthy colors. That's why today I will use only the colors of the chocolate, like our Belcolade Selection Amber Cacao Trace. We will make the extremes. I present you Mr. TJ, we have Wicket, we have Marilyn, and I will show you how I make those. So to make the extremes, I also make a bit my own thermoform molds. So what I have done, I make some model in chocolate, which I thermoform in this small thermoform machine, and then I can make my own mold and I can use it all over and over again. So now I demold my first production, and now I can fill them again. So for the eyes of the extremes, we will make it very easy. We basically, for the iris of the eye, we just put a small dot of dark tempered chocolate. We'll leave it to set, and then we will mold this one with our Belcolade Selection Blanc Cacao Trace. And then we will stick them together, so two half spheres together. And I use a small and a bigger one. For the arms and the legs of my extremes, we will use like a type of a mushroom mold. So the bigger one is to make the legs, and the smaller one is to make the arms. I will mold them 2 times with our tempered Belcolade Selection Amber Cacao Trace, and that's it. For the hands of the extremes, I will do also something funny. We will put tempered dark chocolate on a baking paper. I will make it flat at 4 mm high. We cut it out with a dough cutter, and then after crystallization, I will pipe also some tempered Belcolade Selection Amber Cacao Trace on to make these small dots that reflect the fingers of my extremes. For the base of the extreme, we need an Easter egg of 15 cm high that I will give 2 layers of tempered Belcolade Selection Amber Cacao Trace. And for his mouth, I will already cut it out with a dough cutter in my mold when the chocolate is still soft. And then here for the bottom of my extreme, I will use a half sphere that I will mold with Belcolade Selection Noir Cacao Trace, 1 layer. So now we have all the elements ready to create our extreme. So what we will do, the first one we will make is our beautiful Miss Marilyn. I will glue these Easter eggs together. I will make the edge also a bit more smooth on the surface using a warm marble. And then basically we will compose everything together to create our beautiful extreme. For the next extreme, we will make Mr. Wicket because his eyes look a bit funny and strange. So, basically the same thing. We have to have Easter egg that we will glue together. We will put inside also the teeth, a mustache. We will give it also the feet out of chocolate, the bottom of the base also in dark chocolate, and to finish, we will give Mr. Wicket also a small cap. For this extreme, we will make Mr. TJ. And TJ, he likes to sing along, and that's why I will also give him a headset so we can listen to his music. So we will put these two Easter eggs together with his white teeth on the inside. We will use also the base for the sculpture in dark chocolate, the legs, the arms, the hands, the feet, his eyes of course, and don't forget his headset. We just finished all these beautiful extremes. We have Mr. TJ, Mr. Wicket, Miss Marilyn, and they are waiting to be sold and given to children who likes to eat good chocolate. I used today our Belcolade Selection Amber Cacao trays for the Easter eggs, and for the dark chocolate I've used today the Belcolade Selection Noir 65% cacao trays. I hope you enjoyed this video, watching us making these Easter eggs, the extremes, and I'm sure we will meet each other again next time. Happy Easter! Bye bye!